Hello and welcome to this guided experience where we're going to be calling your energy back to you from every place and person that you may have left it with today so that you can be replenished with your own energy. I like to do this daily, and it can be done with eyes closed or open. It could actually be done walking. I do this when I walk through the street or to the car, in the grocery store, it doesn't matter. And I also do it in my meditation with eyes closed. So if your eyes are closed, feel free to keep them closed. If they're open, you can keep them open. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, I resonate with the language of being a light worker, an empath, just a beautiful human being who's here to do good in the world, that's here to be of service. So if that's you too, if you know that you're here to be of service, if you know that you're somebody who holds a lot of love and a lot of light, and you're kind and compassionate, and you want to do good in the world, and you know that you have gifts and talents to share, and that you're here to be of service to the divine and to humanity. If you know that, and if you've always known that, then you would be within the category of people like me and you and me and so many of us who are here to do good, right? We're here to raise the consciousness of the planet through love and through our own gifts and through being the embodiment of divine love and light. And so we do that in our own unique and special ways, and because we are so giving of our light and our love in the world and with others, and oftentimes we just really give of ourselves freely, right? It just feels good to be able to just be loving and kind and compassionate in the world. It feels good to let our light shine freely, right? It feels good to do that, and that's why we're here. And in that process, what can happen is we can get depleted, right? It's easy for us to get depleted if we're not, kind of careful with our own energy. We want to be able to, in some ways, yes, share freely, and also, protect our own energy as well. And to also be able to bring back our own energy. And so this is one of my favorite practices that I like to do, is to just call my energy back. Call my energy back to me. And so I'm going to guide you through this. It's very simple. To me, it's a beautiful practice. It's one of my favorites because I am so giving and loving with everybody, and I just feel good giving freely of my love and in my light in the world. I feel good doing that. That feels authentic to me, and it's very easy sometimes to get out of balance as well if I'm not actually replenishing my energy back. And so what I love about this practice is that I'm able to call my own energy back to me while still having left the essence of my love and my light with others. And so when we call our energy back, we are leaving the essence of our love, our light, our gifts, our talents, our kindness, our goodness, our support, our inspiration. We leave the essence of our energy with those who we touch, right? In the places that we go. We leave the essence of who we are in those places. And yet we can call our actual energy back from everything and everybody that we have interacted with throughout the day. So it's very simple to do this. I'm going to speak in first person. So if you want to follow with me, you can just personalize it to you and just let your own imagination and your own visuals, if you see visuals, to come forward. I'll share with you the visuals that I see when I do this, in case it can support you. Okay, so if you are able to close your eyes and follow along with your eyes closed, take a nice deep cleansing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and just do that a few times on your own pacing. If the mind wanders, it's okay, just bring it back to your breath. Inviting the mind to slow down, to get quiet, And see if you can tune into the beating of your own heart. A state where the mind and the heart are in coherent harmony with one another in their natural rhythm. And you're fully connected with your own heart and mind. I like to imagine the infinity symbol wrapped around my mind and my heart, so I can feel the infinite connection of divine love in human form. And as the body calms into the state of relaxation, we begin to invite the practice of calling our own energy back. The way that I like to do this is I am now in this moment, and I invite you to follow with me and let your own self be guided from within in whatever ways feel in alignment for you. For me, I am in this moment seeing myself at the center of my own universe. And as the center of my own universe, I am now calling to me. I'm calling my energy, my precious, beautiful, loving, light-filled, high vibrational energy, my precious life force energy. I am calling it all back from every direction and every place that I've left it throughout the day. I'm calling my energy back from everything and everybody that I've interacted with, every place I've been. I see flashes of the places and the people that I've interacted with today, and I just call my energy back to me, leaving with them the essence of my presence, the essence of love and light that has been given as a gift. And I pull back my actual energy back into me. So the exchange of that interaction has happened. I receive something from them. They receive something from me. It's beautiful. The essence remains. The actual energy comes back to me. And I see this coming back to me. I see my energy coming back to me 360 from all around me. I'm like a magnet calling forth and calling my own energy back to me now from every direction. 360, it's all coming back to me. I'm the center of my own universe, and all my loving energy and all my divine light and all of my divine loving energy comes back to me now. I call my energy back to me now. And as I call my energy back to me, I can feel it coming into my being. I can feel it filling me up. I can feel my own energy coming back to me. It's coming back home. I'm coming back home to me. Yeah, it's a beautiful feeling. I'm calling my energy back to me. I am here. I am here. I am here. All of me is here. All of me is here. Breathing in to the gift of this beautiful, precious energy that is mine. My own energy is back to me now. I receive it. I treasure it. I'm grateful for it. And I allow it to be here with me now. And as I marinate in this moment, feeling the energy that is now back to me, I begin to feel myself entering into a state of deep gratitude and appreciation for the gift that is life itself. Gratitude and appreciation. I'm so grateful to be alive. I'm so grateful for this gift of life. I'm so grateful for the breath that I have in this moment to live this precious life. I'm so grateful for all of the blessings in my life. I'm so grateful for everything that is here and everything that continues to come into my experience, that elevates me, that sustains me, that inspires me, that nourishes me. The friendships, the fun, the joy, the creativity, the connections, the peace, the love, the joy, nature, the sun. All of it is a blessing, and I am grateful. I am in full receptive mode. I'm grateful for all of the blessings. I receive all of this gift of life. And as we breathe that in, we allow this inner refueling practice to grow and expand in its own essence, within our own being. Our own energy is here now. And we rest and marinate in the beauty of this gift. And so it is.